口语大放送。
1. Wow, that was good. I'm so full.
2. You eat like a bird.
3. Don't be picky about food.
4. I'm hungry.
5. I really enjoy fish.
6. So, what all did you order?
7. I could go for a second course.
8. The portions at this restaurant are so small.
9. Be quiet and eat your food.
10. This is great, but it could use some more salt.
交流面对面。
So, how have you been?
I've been all right. How about you?
Oh, not too bad. Just living day by day.
Aren't we all?
Wow, this is great.
I know! Such huge portions!
This is my favorite place to eat at night.
I know what you mean. I love it here.
Waiter, could I get some ketchup, please? Sure, one sec. I always need ketchup to eat my fries with.
Me too. I can't stand eating them without it.
感谢您的宝贵时间。行思想频道力求发布有意义、有价值的内容。如果您对行思想频道感兴趣，请点击视频右下方订阅按钮，以便及时收到频道内容更新通知。您可以通过留言或发邮件共享信息、交流观点，期待与您的进一步交互。再次感谢，顺祝安好，再见。